Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Septian, and this video is about the Tozo A2 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, if you don't know anything about my channel, I review audio products from earbuds like these and headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox these with my big unboxing knife and see what we get. Now, I've already reviewed the Tozo A1 True Wireless Earbuds, the A1 Minis as they're called in some places. So if you haven't already, check that video out first. You take the sleeve off. Okay, you got the quick start guide and the user manual. I don't know why you need both of these when this should have just been enough. And here's the earbuds themselves. Pretty small. Nice lightweight case. Pill shaped. All right, let's see what else we get. Okay, we got a box here. And this is going to include, it's showing on the box, the charging cable and the silicone tip. So we have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And last in the box, we got the silicone tips. And they are really jammed up in here. Let me open it up on the other side. Okay. Comes in a resealable bag. Let's see how many we get. Oh, we get a bunch. So it's not just your standard medium and large. Oh, these are a lot, which I come to expect from Tozo because they include a lot of silicone tips in the box. And they all seem to be different. You have some that are kind of see-through, and then you have some that are, let's see, they're kind of translucent. Okay, the ones that are like pure black, they're a little more sturdier. And the ones that are slightly translucent, kind of a smoke gray color, they're a little more springy and spongy. All right, well, that's everything that comes inside the box. Let's see what kind of silicone tips are on the A2. Now, as you can see here, you can lift up the lid. And the lid, on the hinge on the lid is pretty strong. That's a pretty strong lid. So you got plastic film over the charging pins. This is to keep the earbuds from discharging in transport when you're when they're packaging them up. I'm gonna take this plastic off of here. And I'm going to put them back in a charging case and see if I got any juice. But yeah, they look reminiscent of the Tozo T9 True Wireless earbuds. Those some other earbuds that I reviewed. Go check that video out. The stem is a lot shorter. And the earbud themselves, this part, is a little more ergonomically shaped. Let me see, the silicone tips on these. Okay, these are the black ones. So a little more sturdy than the translucent one. All right, so I'm gonna put that back in the charging case, and we got some juice. Great. I thought I was gonna have to stop this video and wait for the earbuds to charge before I actually pair them up to my Nothing phone. Yeah, you got four LED indicator lights on the front, and you can see here. Wait. Well, I guess they'll light up when I take them out. On the back, you got USB Type-C charging port. Not a bad looking case. This looks like the Tozo T9 case, but it's a lot more rounded off on the sides, and it's a little smaller. And you got some Tozo branding on the top of the lid. Let me move these silicone tips out of the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and pair these up to my Nothing phone. All right, so already the earbuds are in pairing mode. The lights are blinking blue and red. So I'm gonna get my Nothing phone out, and I am going to go into Bluetooth. I'm going to pair new device, and there you have it, Tozo A2. All right, so I got 50% battery. Let's see, the highest Bluetooth codec you're going to get with these is AAC. No surprise. These earbuds are fairly inexpensive. Okay, now let's see how they fit in my ears. Now I'm Joe average height, average build, average hand size, average shoe size, average ear holes. Okay, the ones that come on the A2s, they fit perfectly. The passive noise isolation is pretty good. I twist and lock in place. They alright. I might need to go up another size. So I am going to look at these. In my experience in using stem style earbuds, the large ones usually give me the better seal. So I'm going to go with the large. I'll put these on here. There you go. Okay, that's much better. Much better seal. Much better fit as well. Come on, get on there. There. Okay, the large silicone tips, the darker ones, that gives me a deeper insertion in the ear canal. They're not going anywhere. Okay, I like the way these feel. Okay, so I have the Tozo app on my phone. Okay, now let's see if the A2s are supported by the app. So I'm gonna, I just downloaded the app as a precaution to see if they are, and I don't think they are. A2s are not supported by the app. Well, that means I can just delete this then. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna go out on a limb and think and say that these are probably gonna be either warm or V-shaped sounding. Okay, I'm just gonna play Rap Caviar. Let me see. Let's see how the bass sounds. Okay. Ooh, this is a new track from Jordan Lucas. Okay, I'm gonna try and go through the controls here. Let me see. What is single tap on the left? Okay. Single tap on the left is pause. Single tap on the right is also okay. So you got single tap, left and right, pause and play. So let me do double tap. Okay, double tap on the left, on the right does nothing. Double tap on the right. Okay, double tap on the left, previous track. So it must be previous and next track. Okay, that's weird because when I do the double tap, it sounds like I just activated G Assistant. Okay, let me do a double tap on the left again. Yeah, it sounds like the G Assistant. Okay, so double tap on the left, previous track. Double tap on the right, next track. Okay, let me see here. Let me do a long press on the left. Okay, what was that? Okay, it's not doing nothing. Let me do it on the right. Okay, nothing. Okay, let me do a triple tap on the right. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting the single and the triple mixed up. Okay, so tap and hold is volume up, volume down. All right, single tap to play, and now I'm going to do tap and a long press to increase the volume. Oh man, everything's just beeping in my ears. It sounds like I just hit like an alarm. Okay. I'm just gonna use the volumes on the phone. That's just The bass sounds good. It's consistent. It's controlled. It's not like boomy bass, but and not rumbly either. But it does sound good. And jointed sounds good too. Okay, let's see how loud these things really get. Ooh, that's loud. All right, let's do a impromptu. Can I go deaf? Let's see what the ear bleeds like on these. Okay, let's see how loud these get. All right. Okay, it's getting pretty loud. Like 91.2, 89.9, 87 point. It's not going above 93 or 94. It's staying in like, let me hold this in my other hand. Okay, so they don't really get that loud. Let me try another song. Gunna. Okay, 93 point. Okay, 101, 2.4, 102.2, 101.6, 103 point. Okay, let me go and do another song. Right, not bad. And this is at max volume, so I'm trying to be quiet so it doesn't pick up my voice. Okay, that's loud. Okay, it's staying steady at 100. Okay, 104.7, 104.4, 103.9. That's pretty loud. Prolonged exposure to this type of volume will hurt your ears. So these get pretty loud. And not like usually like some earbuds I've tested, they get up to like 110, 112, which is real loud. I wish they were supported by the app though. I wish they were supported by the app. These are some pretty dope earbuds. And look, great seal. Took them out of my ears and turned the silicone tips inside out. So yeah, this is a good fit for me. But yeah, make sure that you try the many different silicone tips. Make sure you get the right seal. I'm assuming the battery life is good on these. I just unboxed these straight on camera. So yeah, this has been the unboxing and first impressions of the Tozo A2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like this video and you want to see me do a full review, consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I post that video. That being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one.